actually went to town. I'm starting this video, Oh Dark 100 today. I was out of coffee and it's going to start raining. I won't be able to get home or out of my home for about 3 more days. So I can't be without coffee for 3 days. Oh no. I made it back. You can't see the top of that hill there. That little mess that goes to 1,000 feet right there, and you can't see it. And we're at about 850 feet, about 800 feet right where I'm standing. And it's not supposed to be raining until like noon, and I am here. So I don't know how much I'm going to get in for this video today. Maybe in a break I can put some more stuff in. Sky's not here, so she's not going to be in any content. They did hook her up when we left yesterday's video. I said, will she be there? Well, she wasn't there. So they keep her that way for a couple weeks and then a couple days, and then they let her go, or she gets loose and then she comes up here and stays for a week. So she's a free-range dog, I call her. And that's it for now. I'm going inside. It's starting to rain. Well, it's raining. It's been raining for a couple hours. I just opened my door just to start a video. And I have a surprise. The dog that was missing last night got tied up or was missing is now here. I'm not going to turn the camera around because she's wet and muddy. Look at this face. You are dirty. We're in between the storms, and it was enough water to keep the waterfall going quietly. And the sky is doing her thing, and we're going to keep walking. There's just a whole lot of this. It's just still not too walkable yet. I'm out here probably about 30 minutes to an hour too early. The ground hasn't had a chance to soak in whatever water it has. It doesn't even soak in, it just drains off and then it solidifies, and that will become a fossil one day. And my boots are doing the same thing, unless I stay on this stuff. It is really cold. This is a really cold storm. And early bloomers. This whole field will be looking like this in no time at all. Can't wait. It's really pretty. Oh, we thought we could get a mile in today, but it's raining again. I don't think it'll last that long, this little bit of rain here. So we're gonna keep going. Oh, here we are. It's raining good. And we're come to look at the manroot. Look at that manroot. That's manroot covering that whole tree right there. We were gonna come down to see what happened to the one we were watching. 2 of them. And we were going to take one home and cut it open. I know there are 2 big seeds in there, but this is prickly. In fact, that's too prickly. This thing is starting to harden out. Ah, it hurts too much. I cannot pick that with my fingers. Maybe. I'll come back to get it later. Touch this. Okay, that thing poked me. I hope I don't turn into some kind of bush or something. I'm down here and it stopped raining for a minute. and I'm headed on the way back. Hey, Sky. Hey, hey, hey. So that's how your face gets so dirty. Sky, come here. What were you after? Hey, what were you, Sky. Hey, you, dog. Wash your face. I am going to stand here. I don't think she's going to be able to resist. I knew it. I knew it was just a matter of minutes. Oh my goodness. I know why I've been sneezing here recently. I do have a bit of an allergy to some of the oak trees. Not real bad, but when they're blooming like this, these things are just absolutely pollen everywhere. That's all pollen. And there's the oak trees are doing that everywhere. Well, there we go. The sun. We have a break between the storm. We gotta walk in, and I still know that I can't get out of here because those roads are still seeping with water. It's just oozing. And those clouds don't look too scary right now, but that doesn't mean anything. The basil got planted right here, and that'll be more basil than I can possibly use, I guarantee you. It gets about 3 feet tall, and I keep pruning it every week, and it'll grow for months. Same thing with this. This is going to be basil as well. I just need to walk on it to tamp it down a little bit. The basil seeds are in there. Basil seeds are in there. This is lettuce leaflet basil. And that hole is from Sky, looking for gophers. And this is going to be Genovese Italian basil. It's going to go in here. And that'll be the end of that. And then I weeded. And I'm waiting for the next storm to come in. It's dead quiet. It's beautiful. And pollen galore everywhere. Pollen, pollen, pollen. Well, I think that'll be the end of my video for today. It looks really nice out there. Up there, the sky has got some broken clouds. We've got about another 2 hours before the next storm comes in, and it's going to be spotty all night, but it's not like a river. So we got lucked out on this one. Hopefully it's not real turbulent, and if it's not, then that's a good thing. So I'm going to end the video, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow.